Everybody, what's up? How are you? Hope you're fine now, guys. Hope you have a good day, guys. Once again, I'm talking about Kisho inu token, that what's going on in the Kisho, what's the price changes occur. And guys, I'm also talking about shortly in the future update of Kisho inu, that is in the future there is more possibilities that the price will pump, or is in the future there is more possibilities that the price will dump. We discuss this all things shortly, so guys stay here. And guys, if you are new in my channel, or if you are a crypto investor, so you have to subscribe channel for more update and news videos. At this time, guys, if we talk about Kisho token price, so absolutely now in the previous time Kisho price change is going positive, so that's why the changes is also positive 0.00003 USD dollar. That is the current price of Kisho. And other side, the last 1 hour, last 1 day changes of Kisho is completely positive. That's undenied, that's unbelievable. I really love these positive changes. Other side, guys, the last 1 week changes of Kisho is positive 89.22%. 89% the price pump. That's unbelievable, and I really love to see these positive changes. You know what, guys, a lot of people also ask me questions about Kisho, that is in the future there is possibilities that the price will more pump. So let me show you. You can see, guys, obviously in the last 1 week 80% price change is positive. That's mean that in a previous time Kisho price going to the moon, but unfortunately just in the latest situation, as you can see here on the price chart, that the changes is again going negative. But don't worry, guys, this is the temporary changes, and very soon you found again Kisho changes positive, guys. So just hold, never decide to sell. Anyways, now this time I recommend for all of you that it is a low price coin, so I recommend it's invest for in Kisho for a long time. Anyways, remember that I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to buy, sell, or hold any coin, any crypto, so please do your own research. Thanks for watching. Subscribe now.